got noise coming in from the balcony, and they've done multiple layers of weather stripping. They put a door bottom in there. This is a dual glazed door. This is a very high quality door. And when it's shut, you can still hear quite a bit of noise. So oftentimes the best solution is just to put another door on top of it. There's the door, solid core, 8 foot by 3 foot, and it's gonna open out this way.
Now here's a shot of our final project. So imagine you have a hallway with a door at each end, but your hallway is only 4 inches long. That's what we're going to do. And the first step is to remove the casing from around the door so that we can install our frame against it. I built these side pieces and top piece off-site. So it's a 2x4, pre-drilled, and I've got these metal gusset angles on there, and I've got a 1x4 attached to the 2x4, and the 1x4 is my jamb, and you see I mortised for the hinges already. And the gusset angles just hold this to the wall and get it in place, and then I use these 6-inch construction lag screws to actually hold the frame to the wall, because this door is going to be very heavy, and when it swings you don't want this thing flopping around. So these essentially become the sides and top of my mini hallway.
Now I can put on my hinges and hang the door and get that working, and I'll build the rest of the jamb around it. Now I've got my door hung. Now with the door hung like that and working properly, the rest becomes very easy.
By installing the hinge side first, the door doesn't have to be perfect. And then with the gusset angles attached to the strike side of the frame, you can adjust the gap to get everything right before you put in your 6-inch lag screws.
Now to make these sides look nice, I got this 1x4 that I'm just gonna nail this right on the side.
Now because I built these side frame pieces the same height as the door, it made for a bad joint on the top outside. We patched and painted it, that was fine, but I ended up doing 2 more of these. So those side frame pieces I made taller than the door so that the top piece fit right in between them, and it was a cleaner look. So now we've got our strike plate and lock installed to make sure the door is working properly.
Now there's a door bottom and threshold. Nice smooth seal. Now I've got this door set. This is stock with built-in kerf seal. I think it's nailed on right there. Start with the top. Now that's all wrong. Baseboard's backed in, everything is caulked and patched.
And there's the final product. Ironically, there were carpet installers there banging hammers as I was doing this, so it doesn't sound very quiet. But the difference was night and day. The clients were ecstatic. They weren't expecting 100% soundproofing, but the results were so dramatic. They were blown away. They asked me to do 2 more of these projects in their upstairs bedrooms. It came out great.